Good morning, students. Welcome to Path Online Tutorials. Today we will start a new chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. This chapter is quite new chapter for you regarding the topic trigonometry. Today we will learn what is trigonometry and what are trigonometric ratios. Trigonometry in general is related to a right angled triangle. So let us freshen up the knowledge related to right angled triangle. I have made a triangle ABC, right angled at B. Triangle ABC, right angled at B. जब हम कहते हैं कि ट्राइंगल ABC इज राइट एंगल एट B, इट मींस दैट जो ट्राइंगल ABC का वर्टेक्स B है, उस वर्टेक्स B पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल बना हुआ है. सो दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री, एंड इफ वन एंगल इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री, इट मींस दैट द सम ऑफ रिमेनिंग टू एंगल्स इज 90 डिग्री according to angle sum property. So angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. Next thing we know that the side opposite to angle B is called what? Hypotenuse. And we know that hypotenuse is the longest side. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is the longest side of the triangle. That is, AC is greater than both AB and BC. Now, if angle A and angle C, the sum of these two angles is of 90 degree, it means that both angle A and angle C are acute angles. Now let us understand what is the meaning of trigonometry. Trigonometry is a study of mathematics which is related to measurement of three sides of a triangle. And the origin of trigonometry is India, Egypt, Babylon. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एक ट्राइंगल के तीन साइड से रिलेटेड मैथमेटिक्स की ब्रांच है. सबसे पहले ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो स्टडी करते हैं. जिसको शॉर्ट में टी रेशो लिखते हैं. Now the question is, what is a T ratio? And the answer is, trigonometric ratio is ratio of sides of triangle with respect to any angle. How? See, let us start it with first trigonometric ratio, sine. I am taking acute angle C. Sine is the first trigonometric ratio, and we always find trigonometric ratio with respect to angle. So I am writing sine of angle C. First trigonometric ratio is sine with respect to any angle, sine of angle C, and it is equal to ratio of the sides, ratio of two sides of this triangle. Which sides? It is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now see, we know that the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. And in trigonometry, according to the taken angle, we decide which side is perpendicular and which side is base. I have taken angle C and I am finding sine of angle C. So the side opposite to angle C is treated as perpendicular. If I am finding T ratio of angle C, then side AB is the perpendicular and BC is the base. If I will find sine of angle A, in that case opposite side is BC. This BC will be perpendicular and AB I will treat it as base in case of angle A. Now as I have taken angle C, so the perpendicular is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. So in this way I have related the ratio of two sides of a triangle with respect to angle, and this ratio is called sine, trigonometric ratio sine. Now see, this is a quite lengthy expression. If I have to write this expression 3 or 4 times in a question, then it will be very tedious work. So there is an abbreviation for it, and the abbreviation of sine of angle C is sine C. So sine C is equal to AB upon AC. अब साइन सी को हम एब्रीविएशन की तरह यूज करते हैं. साइन सी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि साइन इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एंगल सी. ठीक है. तो इन दिस वे वी हैव डन फर्स्ट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो which is sine. I have found sine of angle C which is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Correct? Now let us find what is second trigonometric ratio. Second trigonometric ratio is cosine of angle C. And which is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Again, abbreviation of cosine of angle C is cos of angle C is equal to base is BC and hypotenuse is AC. And the third trigonometric ratio is tangent of angle C. This is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AB and base is BC. And the short form of tangent of angle C is tan C. So these are first three trigonometric ratio: sin C P upon H, cos C B upon H, and tan C P upon B. Now we will study three more trigonometric ratio. See, the interesting fact is that the next three trigonometric ratios are reciprocals of these three trigonometric ratio. First reciprocal is of sine. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant. If I want to find cosecant of angle C, then it is a reciprocal of sin C, that is 1 upon sin C. रेसिप्रोकल का मतलब उल्टा, तो sin C का उल्टा क्या हो गया? हाइपोटेन्यूज अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर. हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या है यहाँ? AC, परपेंडिकुलर AB. Next reciprocal is of cosine. Reciprocal of cosine is secant. If I want to find secant of angle C, then it is equal to 1 upon cos C, यानी cos C का उल्टा, that is hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse again AC and base BC. Third is reciprocal of tangent. Is cotangent. And if I want to find cotangent of angle C, then it is equal to 1 upon tan C. 1 upon tan C means tan C का उल्टा, that is B upon P. And here the base is BC and perpendicular is AB. So in this way, these three T ratios are reciprocals of these three T ratios. Now let us write the short form of cosecant of angle C. Cosecant of angle C is written as cosec C. Secant of angle C is written as sec C. And cotangent of angle C is written as cot C. So in this way, these 6 T ratios are there in trigonometry. Now we will study some interesting fact about tan and cot and see what is it. Concentrate on sin C and cos C. The numerator of sin C is P and numerator of cos C is B. And the denominators of both sin C and cos C are hypotenuse. Now see tan C, the ratio is P upon B, that is numerator of sine upon denominator of cos. Let us find the ratio of sine and cos. Sin C upon cos C is equal to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon hypotenuse divided by base upon hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, ये ऊपर जाएगा तो उल्टा हो जाएगा, hypotenuse upon base is equal to perpendicular upon base. And what is perpendicular upon base? Tan C. So in this way we can conclude that tan C is equal to sin C upon cos C also. Now reciprocal of tan which is cot. अब हम इसका उल्टा निकालते हैं, cos C upon sin C base upon hypotenuse multiplied by hypotenuse upon perpendicular is equal to B upon P is equal to cot C. So we can see that cos C upon sin C is also equal to cot C. So these are the trigonometric ratio and some relationship. Now question for you. Can you relate sine and cosecant? Yes, we have done this in this video. Question is, can you relate sine and cosecant? The answer is very easy. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine. So we can say that cosecant C is equal to 1 upon sin C. And vice versa. Sin C is equal to 1 upon cosecant C. Now next question. Can you relate cos C and secant C? Again, secant is reciprocal of cos, so secant C is equal to 1 upon cos C, and vice versa, cos C is equal to 1 upon secant C. Now the last question, can you relate a tan and cot? Again, cot is reciprocal of tan, therefore tan C is equal to 1 upon cot C, or cot C is equal to 1 upon tan C. So these are the relationship between a trigonometric ratio and its reciprocal. After this we will do first exercise, which is based upon all these basic concepts. What you have to do is you have to study these basic concepts thoroughly from book. Try to read out the literature given in the book before the example.